Hi, I am Anindam Mullik and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Ori. I also welcoming you on my C programming course. Our today's topic is insert a node in the simply linked list. Means how today I basically like to discuss on how to insert a node on the single linked list. This is part 43. Let's start. I will show you insert a node in single linked list on the three types. Means first is the insert from at beginning and means first node. Insert on beginning. Insert a node on the end of a list. Insert from the beginning of a list. Insert a node at the end of a list. Then after that I will show you the insert a node on the specific index, means specific position. So basically in this video I will show you that insert a node on a single linked list on the three position, means three ways. First is insert from beginning, insert on end, and insert on the specific index. But for before showing the code of insertion, first I will show you that previous day code. Means on my previous video I will show you that how to create a single linked list and display the nodes. But I will just show you the source code and then tracing the code. But I will not show you the output. Today I will first show you the output. After that I will discuss on the source code of how to insert a node in single linked list. So go to the DevC++. This is a code I will already show you on my previous video. Okay, just first I first run this code. Okay, we got execute, compile, run. So three options are there. One, if we enter one, choice is one, insert. If we enter the choice is two, display. And if we insert the three, this white. If we insert like first we are create a linked list, means insert a node. Choice is one now. Enter the data of node. For example, data is 1. Again, enter choice. Choice is 1 because you want to insert. Choice is 1. And data is 2. Enter a choice. Data we choice and again 1. Node is like 3. Now we display. So for display we have choice is 2. This is our list. First node is 1, second node is 2, third node is, that means first node value, node data is 1, then this is a second node or node 1. This as far as the linked list are concerned, it is a position is same as array. That means index are starting from 0. So it is index 0, index 1 is 0th index node, index number 1th node, index number 2 node. Okay. So first node value is 1. Second node data is 2, third node data is 3. So just data are printed. 3 nodes are there. Now, first I will like to show you the code of insert a node from beginning. That's why we required a function, declare a function void insert begin, void insert begin. So total 3 functions, void create, display, and insert begin. I will not discuss the what is this means structure, how to define a structure, switch case. No, just what is the modify on my previous code. This is just like a previous code. I just some modification are there on my creation of a linked list. What is the modification? There is a no case tree. Case tree is just quiet, but here we are basically do a operation on insert a beginning, insert a node in from beginning. That's why in case tree we are calling the function insert beginning, then break. This is a function void insert begin. Now, what is the first? I will explain the function. What is the function are working? Struct node start time. We are taking the node, taking that pointer basically, but this temp is worked as a node. Temp TMP equals to struct node star malloc size of struct node. I already explained what is the meaning of this line. I already explained on my previous video. But so in this video I will not explain the what is the thing. Just we are just allocated the memory for creating a node. Now check if TMP equals to null. That means we are checking we are allocated some memory or not. Yes, we are allocated some memory because TMP on the TMP we are allocated some memory. So obviously TMP is not null. So exit from it. Then printf enter the data. Obviously for taking the input scanf /n %d ampersand TMP arrow. That means we are go to the TMP node data part. We are insert the our value. Then TMP arrow next equals to null. Now node name is TMP. Next TMP arrow next equals to null. That means our new node is TMP is pointing to the null. That means just one node we are created. Obviously there is a no node. Just one node we are creating. So obviously the next is pointing the null. Now check if head equals to null. That means check it is the first value or not. If it is the first value, so head is obviously temp become the head. Otherwise temp arrow next or TMP arrow next equals to head. That means head is become so TMP arrow next equals to head. That means head is assigned with the TMP arrow next. That means head is pointing with the TMP now, and now TMP is become the head. What is the thing I will explain? The tracing. We are tracing our code. So this is a thing. Now for an example, this is a linked list. Okay, first node value is 2, second node value is 3, third means 0th node, node 1th node, second node, third node. Okay, index number 0, index number 1, index number 2, index number 3. Now, so what is the next step? Basically showing the next is basically store. What is the work for the next or link part or address part? It basically pointing to the next node, means storing the next node address, means 200 is, for an example, if this node address is like 200 memory address, so obviously in this part 200 are stored. That is the thing. This is a linked list. Now this is our temp node, means new node we are creating. For an example, we are basically stored the data part, we are stored the value as 1. Obviously there is a no next node, so next TMP arrow next we are assigned as null. Now our target is this TMP node as a go to the insert on this beginning. That means before the 2, before the node value is 2, means head is just pointing here. That is our main thing. So this is become the first node. After that this 2 come, after that 3 come, this 4 come, 5 come. So this one is become the first node or be insert in the beginning. So what is that do here? Check them. Now so if your temp node are created, check the temp is null. Obvious temp is null. Obviously condition is false because we are allocated some memory. So TMP obviously not null. Condition is false. We enter the data. We are entering the data. Okay, fine. Your temp arrow next equals to null. Okay, right. Next head equals to null. Head equals to null. No, condition is false because head is pointing a node. So obviously not null because there is a node address are storing by head. So not null obviously. Now go to the else part. Temp arrow next equals to head. That means what I try to say that this is the next part. So this are pointing to this. Means this TMP arrow next is pointing to this head node. This is the head node. Okay, this is pointing to here. And this now this become the this temp is become head equals to temp. That means temp is become the head node. After modifying, this is a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means what I try to say, that is the meaning of this line. TMP arrow next equals to head. That means this is the next part. Now this link is plus pointing. This next part of 1 or TMP arrow next pointing to this node. Okay. Now in the next line head equals to temp. That means TMP is now head. So head is also pointing the TMP. So after modifying this is the list. So 1 is insert on the list node, or TMP is insert on the beginning. This is on the first node. Head is the pointing the TMP. That is basically how to insert a node from beginning. Now, insert a node on the end. Insert a node from the end. Basically for this I will take the another function, that is a void insert end. Okay. On case 3 we are just modify, we are calling the insert end function and then break. But insert end means we are just insert on the end of a list. For an example, if our list that have already 2 nodes, so obviously in this function, this insert end function, obviously our third node means index is 2. Insert on the last, obviously last, because there is already have a 2 node here. That means it's a normal condition, which is not specific condition. Normal condition. Normally, every node is insert from the last. Means how many nodes are there? For example, is there 2 nodes? So obviously, if new node came, this will become the third node. If our list have the 3 node, our new node is become the 4th node. That is a common thing. That is, I will not trace the code of how to insert a last, because it is same as the creation of a linked list, means void create part. It is the same as the code of void create. This is about just for you showing you. I will create another function that is a void insert, but the code is same as that of void create or create the linked list. Means normally just is a normal thing for insert a node in the last normal cases, but not trace the code. Okay. So first I will show you the output of the insert begin. Okay? This is the code. This is the code. I will show you the insert begin, means beginning, insert a node from beginning. Execute, compile, run. We insert that. So enter choice is obviously 1, node is 1, enter choice obviously 1, insert that. Now for insert on beginning, we choice is 3. Now enter the data for node is insert beginning. We insert we have take the data as 5. Now choice now display, for display we enter choice is 2. So what is how we will show? This is the first node value 5 1 2. That means first what is the thing? We are taking the input as 1 2. Then we choose the choice as 3. That means we are, so what is the first node before inserting the value, that is 5. Obviously if the first one is 1, the next one is 2, means not value. But here we are inserting the 5 from beginning. So what is the result? 5 1 2. Yes, it is approx. This is fully correct. This is the correct result. The code is showing that, so our code is absolutely perfect. 5 1. That means that this 5 node is a temp node. This will become the first node. So 5 is become the first node here. First node data is 5. 5 1 2. That's why it is a code for insert a node from beginning. And now I will show the code on insert the end. Same as that of the create. Same as that of the create. Okay. Same as that of the how to create a linked list. We have done no modification of code. Okay. Just for an example, for showing you, just I take the another function is insert end. Click on execute, compile, run. Choice obviously 1. The node is 1. Choice obviously 1. No, it doesn't node 2. Okay. Now insert the end. So for this we have choose the, but if you have choose 3, so obviously do the insert end operation. Choice is 3 now. Last node like 9. Now for display we have choice is 2. So what is you showing? 1 2 9. That means 9 is inserted on the last. That means first node is 2 1. Then second node is 2. That means 0th index node is 1. Index number 1 is 2. 1 node is 2. Index number 2 obviously is the last index. So last index value is node is 9. That means here in this code I show basically the inserted node on the last position. Here. Means that it's a normal case. Okay. Normally, obviously, if you have the two element, normally our new node becomes the third element, means third node. It's a normal case. Now I will show you the special case. Insert pos. That means here user can choose the position on which index we insert our node. On that index, our node are inserted. That is the thing, basically. So for that, I take a new function, that is a declare a new function void insert pos. Case 3 is on case 3. When you choose the 3 on that case 3 you are calling, then insert pos function are calling. Then after that break. This is the insert pos function. First, what is the thing I will explain, then we'll trace the code. Okay, taking the two pointer tmp and pt, two variable I and position, assigned like allocated the for a value for temp is the here temp is behave as a node. Okay, if temp equals to null, this condition true or false? False, obviously, because we allocated some memory. How can it be the null? No. Printf enter the position, means which position we want to, mean which in position means here index, means which index we want to insert a node. Scanf %d ampersand position, obviously. Now printf enter the data of the node, means what is the data we insert on the new node. Scanf %/n %d ampersand tmp arrow data. For accessing we use the arrow operator. Now tmp arrow next, obviously we have now check if position equals to 0, that means we inserted the just there is a no node, so obviously we are insert on the from beginning 0, position is 0. So on that time temp next is head, and head become temp become the head. Now means from the insert on the beginning. Now otherwise we go to our else part. There is a for loop for I0 I. Now here we are assigned a thing pt equals to head. That means head is now pt. That means which node head are pointing, same node pointed by pt. I less than position minus 1 I plus plus. Then pt is become incremented. Pt equals to pt arrow next. That means next new node become the, means what is the node become the pt, means pt are pointing. Next node of the pt is become now pt. That means pt are updating. Okay. If pt equals to null, means if pt are pointing to null, so obviously then position is not found, return. Then escape from this for loop. Okay, after completed, then tmp arrow next. What is the temp value? Temp node are there. Next temp next means after that temp node pt arrow next. What is the now last on the last pt value? Next node of pt is become stored on the tmp arrow next, means after tmp. Now pt arrow next become the tmp. That means tmp become the pt arrow next. The tmp is a pointing to the after pt. What is this? I will explain with the tracing. I'll explain after tracing. Insert a node on the specific position. Now first, void insert pos. This is a linked list on initial. So obviously temp created. This is the temp. We will take the data as 5, and next part is obviously null. Now check if tmp equals to null. No, so not. Then go to this line. Printf enter the now enter the position. Enter the position from where we want to insert a node. Okay, position is we are taking as 4. Means which index? Pos value is 4. That means index number 4. We are also calculate the pos minus 1 because it is required. So pos minus 1 is obviously 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now check if position equals to 0, means we are inserted on the beginning. No, 4 is not equals to 0. That means 4 equals to 0. False. Go to the else part. For I equals to 0, pt equals to head, I equals to 0 and I less than position minus 1, that means 0 less than 3. Yes, pt equals to head, that means head is also pointing, head become the pt. That means in a simple word, this is the head node, obviously head is pointing the first node, this node also pointing the pt. That is a simple way, simple thing, the meaning of this line. Okay, pt equals to head. Now go to the body of for loop. pt equals to pt arrow next, that means increment, update the pt become the next node of the, as present the ptr pointed, that means ptr are previously pointing this node. Now pt is pointing the next node of pt, that means this point, this node is pointed by, so pt is now pointing this node currently. It is update, after updation of pt is now pointing here. First previously pt is pointing here, that means this one. Now after updation pt is now pointing here, pt equals to pt arrow next. That means what is the meaning of this line? Basically we are pointing, pt is now become the next node of pt, so pt is now pointing here. Now if pt equals to null, obviously there is a node, how can be the null? Stop, condition is false. Escape from the for loop, increment I become 1 now, I become 1 now, this is a node. Again 1 less than 3, yes, condition is true. Then pt equals to pt become pt arrow next, that means pt is up, again pt are updated, this is a pt. What is a pt arrow next? Pt arrow next is this. Now this 3 means node value is 3 become now pt, that means pt is pointing here. Previously pt is here, that means 2 here, here pt is there. But now after updating the pt is now pointing the node having the value, data part is 3. Escape from this, increment I become 2, 2 less than 3, yes, pt equals to pt arrow next. What is the previously pt is pointing? Pt is pointing the third node, means value is 3. pt equals to pt arrow next. Now this pt arrow next means this node. Now pt is become pointing the this node. This is the after updation of pt. Now escape from this, I is become now 3, increment I become 3. 3 is less than 3, stop, condition is false, stop, escape from this for loop. tmp arrow next equals to pt arrow next. What is the tmp value? What is the tmp? This is the tmp. Tmp arrow next means null equals to pt arrow next. Pt arrow next, now pt arrow next means this, pt is this, next one is obviously pt arrow next means is assigned with null value. So means both are same. This is the meaning of this line here. Now pt arrow next equals to temp. That means what I try to say that now this node is now next part is pointing the temp node. So this become the node on the specific position. How? This is a zeroth index. Zeroth index, index number 1, index number 2, index number 3, index number 4. So our new node temp is successfully inserted on the index number 4. That is basically logic, how to trace our code. So our insertion is over on a single increase, insert a node is over. Keep practicing, and tracing is important because linked list is very important. Okay, this is our code. Insert on the specific position. This is our code. Okay, this is our code. So keep practicing and tracing your code, because first clear the logic. Logic clear is main thing. After that, when your logic are cleared, you understand the what is the algorithm, how the code are work. Only then you are just implemented. Okay, implementer is a secondary thing. First you are just clear the concept. What are our problem is? How can we solve it? That is important. Trace the code. Practice the code. Trace the code. Tracing is important. Thank you. Okay.